see things quite the same as you do now. But now you're older, you find that sometimes you wish you had stayed a clown, never ever knowing whether you're coming or going. And right now that sounds like Ray's idea. But hey, let's not get down about being a clown or running away from town, because you eat so well and your friends can tell when that pastry's oh so brown, never ever knowing whether you're